My name is Shruti and I am mother of Arush, who is 9 years old. As parents, we have always been keen on holistic development of Arush. I always believed that swimming is not just a life skill or just a physical activity, but it can channelize mental energy as well, and once mastered, it's just like meditation. Fortunately, Arush is extremely fond of water and we were waiting for enrolling him in swimming. We stay just across the street and have known about Michael Phelps Swimming Center. When we visited the facility and spoke to authorities, we were convinced that this was the right place to be in. The session started and soon Arush went from pre-beginner level to beginner level. It's an absolute delight to see him progress. The comfort factor for us was the friendliness of instructors. Most importantly, the coach-student ratio 1:6, and the amazing part is where they teach without physical contact. And it just does not stop there. We get opportunities to be part of swimming events, competitions, workshops for mind coaching, parenting workshops, and so on. It definitely helps their fitness, diet, sleep, and all. I can just go on and on. However, it takes a lot of efforts as a parent to bring them regularly for their trainings. At the end, it's all worth it when you see them progress with a happy face.